Hi, so I will tell you how Oxy Glo works. So the Oxy Glo comes in these beautiful black bags and you will open. Here is your instructions, and after that is here is charger. The way how we charge is here. You lift this little part and you charge it here for 3 hours. Okay, like I charge like twice a week for 2 hours. So the machine, after you charge, it already has the power. So now these little tubes comes here. One is to put liquid plasma, and the other one comes with these little needles for the maintenance that we do twice a month. Okay, so here we go. This is very easy. The only thing is you open the liquid plasma and you fill up this little bottle. Okay, when it's completely filled, you close here and you close this one. Now how this works, this is the magic of this. You put it upside down always, and you introduce in this little part, you introduce here. You just push. When it's ready, you just press the button, the power, which one is this. And after, the only thing you have to do is press down and you will see how it comes. Can you see how it comes? Here we go. And the magic starts. And here you go in all your face, your neck, your arms, your hands. When you are done, you just turn it off. And always, when you finish to use, something very important is upside down and take it off and put it for the next time. And this is part one. Never leave it here, please. If you leave it here, what will happen is will drain inside and could damage, and it will damage your Oxy Glo. The next part, it is the maintenance. Twice a month, every 2 weeks, you take one of those needles. Every package comes with 2 little needles like this. Introduce the needle and you just clean it very good. You turn around a little bit, clean it, clean it, clean it, clean it, and that's it. Okay? Put it back in the same little bottle, close it, and leave it ready for the next time. And here we go, ready to use it all the time. Morning, afternoon, and at night.